You are now experiencing nature. Nature has been subdued for your enjoyment. There is no need to worry. Nature can no longer harm you. Nature has been contained and tamed. We've even bottled nature. Doesn't nature smell great? It smells like comfort and lavender. Nature is not your mother. You are not a child of nature. You are a product of the internet, of the television, of the circuit board, of the vaccination needle, of drywall boxes, of rivers of metal and glass, of gasoline machines, of flying aluminum tubes. Nature has become a commercial venture. You can experience nature for $45 through outdoor adventures. One of you is eating a Nature Valley bar. Nature can be bought by the slice or the acre. Natural things have become their own icons. There is no such thing as a squirrel. There is only the icon of a squirrel. A squirrel is solely the replication of your expectations. Nature is a construct of your imagination. It is built by your peers. The Arboretum is not nature. It is terraformed land, with policed borders. Each tree is tagged and monitored. Each plant is hand-picked for its aesthetics. And it is right here for you. Whenever you please. Nature is cells. But we didn't like them, so we made our own. NASA has created nature before. An ecosystem in a glass orb. A dash of water, shrimp, algae, air, and bacteria. Nature, it's cool stuff. Nature cannot be silent. There's no such thing as silence. But our engines are louder. Nature does not like order. It feeds off of chaos. We are spinning into nothingness. But our rocket boosters will stabilize the course. Merchant's warning has become a stay truth. Nature is dead. But look. Here it is. Captured in all its glory. Televised and on video cassette. Ready to be consumed from the comfort of your living room. You are experiencing nature. Paid for by viewers like you.